Baba J, what's this?
That's a jellyfish.
A jellyfish? What's this?
That's a contact whale.
Awesome. What is that?
That's turtle.
What's this?
That's a turtle.
No, this, honey.
That's a turtle.
No, what's this?
That's turtle.
Yes, it is, but what's this?
That's puffin.
A puffin, yeah, what's this?
That's seal.
A seal, what's this?
That's a whale.
What kind of whale?
I don't know. That's the Willie.
Do you remember what I told you that whale was?
Yeah.
What did I say?
An orca.
An orca, good boy. What's this?
That's a shark.
What kind of shark?
I don't know.
What kind of shark is that?
That's a tiger shark.
A tiger shark, good boy. What's this?
What's my tiger shark?
I don't know. What is that?
That's a dolphin.
A dolphin, good boy.
Where's my dolphin?
I don't know. You should go find it. You're so smart, Bubba.